everybody, it's February 17th, little update on the basement project. You can see we've got the stairs done, a little dirty because someone walked up there with mud on their feet. But we have got the electric fireplace. I had to trim this beams right there. You can see it's a pretty tight fit. And then what I did was I'm using wood to frame it out. Today I'm going to go here on the side. I'm going to put in the side piece, so it'll be the same length on each side. And then you can see where the X is. That's where the mantle is going to be. We have to have 8 inches from the mantle to the top of that, according to the instructions. But you can see we've made a lot of progress. It's a 50-inch electric heater. It'll heat 400 square feet. So it should do a good job of warming this whole area down here. So you can see where the whole area around that's going to be. We'll have a ceiling fan up there to help circulate the air, and a ceiling fan over there to kind of help circulate the air around. So we're making some good progress. I have an electrical outlet there. I have, it's wired. So over here I've got wire for audio, and then on this side I've got wired for the HDMI and for cable. This is currently hooked up to the main line, so whatever is on in the theater room will be on this TV, it'll be on the TV over there, and it'll be throughout the whole basement. But if somebody wanted to, they could just hook a VCR or another line to it and actually control it right from here, so the TV could be separate. That's one of the reasons I'm setting up the way I am. So it's WebDoc signing out on Sunday, February 17th.